Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the initial app setup for the Ecovacs Deebot T50 Max Pro Omni. This product will be linked in the video description, so be sure to check it out. First things first, download the Ecovacs Home app for iOS and Android devices. Once you have it downloaded, you'll need to sign in or create your account. We already have an account with other Ecovacs devices already added, but we need to add our new device here. So in the top right-hand corner, we can select the little scan icon. It's got basically four corners and a line in the middle. And that's going to activate our QR code scanner. And then we can scan the QR code on the vacuum for setup. And make sure you have it powered on. So we have our switch in the powered on position. That's going to be the solid line. Then we can select next, turn on Bluetooth hotspot, press and release.
Bluetooth hotspot has been released.
Select next. Now it's going to pair via Bluetooth. They're connected. Now we need to connect to our Wi-Fi network. So we're going to connect right here. If you're having troubles, make sure you're connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network.
Network setup in progress. Please wait.
Network setups in progress. We have the voice prompt there. It's working on connecting.
Network connection successful.
Just got a voice prompt. Everything was successful. Took close to a minute. Now we can rename the vacuum, but I'm going to leave it by its default name. Select continue.
Hi. I'm your Ecovacs AI voice assistant.
Voice assistant's talking to us. If we want to activate that. Confirm your time zone. English good for us. This is do not disturb mode. I don't want do not disturb mode personally, but you can enable that. Now we have a firmware update. I highly recommend updating the firmware right away. Let's put it in the charging station.
Start charging.
It's charging. Now we can start the upgrade.
Updating. Please do not power off.
Now we wait. All right, we just heard a startup chime and it just said update completed and everything is all set and ready to go. We heard that at about 90% and then the app just, boom, went up right away. Around 70%, then it really cranked on. So it took us 21 minutes to update the firmware. That seems very slow and unusual. So hopefully there was just something going on with their servers or our network, even though everything appears fine and that's out of the ordinary. But if not, just mentally plan, you might have to let it sit for 20 or 30 minutes. But we got it updated. We can select got it. And there we go. We're taken into the app. That's it. Everything is now set up and we're ready to start using it. And the first thing you'll want to do is map your home. Then you can customize your map, get it all set up to start cleaning. But simple and straightforward app setup. It should take you just like a minute to set up, like we scan the QR code and that's it. But then it might take you a lot longer, like it did for us, to wait for the firmware to update. But other than that, that's it. Now you're ready to go to start mapping and using your vacuum and mop.